College isn't just the four-year experience. It's what prepares you for a lifetime of success after graduation. Ramapo illustrates its commitment to career preparation with its Pathways program. Janea is a business management major from Cape May whose leadership experiences are preparing her to succeed in the business world. Janea, please take it away.
Hi everyone, thanks so much Alex. Whether you're a transfer student or an incoming first year like I was, you might not be exactly sure what you want to do once you get to college. For me, I talked to my academic advisors, my professors, and of course my friends. I finally decided to major in business management and minor in marketing. I love how these areas of study allowed me to mix my creativity with my leadership skills to do something that I truly loved. The next question is, how do I get from college to succeeding in my future career? Something really unique about Ramapo is that they have built-in programs so that every student can graduate feeling prepared for whatever's next in their journey. Every student is set up to complete the Pathways program, where they learn how to write a resume, prepare for interviews, and plan for their future. Our Cahill Career Center works with you as you apply to jobs and both on and off-campus internships. As the peer intern for the peer facilitation program, I was able to create and lead a 40-hour training program with the goal to strengthen the leadership skills of over 100 student mentors on campus. Another student in this episode, the amazing Caitlin, who told you all about our beautiful campus and location, secured an internship with the prestigious Association of Research Institutes in Art History. There she collaborated with organizations such as the Metropolitan Museum of Art on archival collections and public relations. Whatever your major is, Ramapo College has the tools to help you succeed in your future. I've met so many amazing individuals who have given me advice and insight into my field. I'm truly excited for life post-grad, and I can say that Ramapo College helped me get there. That's all from me. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, Janea, sounds like you are prepared for life after graduation. Ramapo's Pathways program, built into the curriculum, is one of a kind. Being so close to New York City, there are over 350 companies that offer internships and hundreds more in the surrounding communities. We know internships matter, and recent internships include the Jimmy Fallon Show, Google, and even the White House. It's amazing. Those Roadrunners, they're always on the move. Incredible.